Welcome to my channel, where we explore the latest AI tools and techniques to boost your finances. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top 9 free AI tools that can help you earn passive income in 2026. From automated content creation to smart investing, these tools have been game changers for my business and personal finances. Let's dive into the first method, which is using AI-powered content creation tools to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. I've been using a tool called WordLift, which uses AI to research and write articles for me. This saved me so much time and effort, and the quality of the content is exceptional. In fact, I've been able to sell some of the articles generated by WordLift for over $100 each. The second method is using AI-powered investing tools to make smart investment decisions. I've been using a tool called StockBot, which uses AI to analyze market trends and make predictions. This helped me to make some very profitable investments, and I've been able to earn over $1,000 in just a few months. The third method is using AI-powered affiliate marketing tools to promote products and earn commissions. I've been using a tool called AffiliateBot, which uses AI to research and promote products for me. It's been a huge success, and I've been able to earn over $500 in just a few weeks. As a bonus tip, I want to share with you a tool called AI Writer, which uses AI to generate high-quality blog posts and articles. It's been a game changer for my business, and I've been able to earn over $2,000 in just a few months. In conclusion, these 9 free AI tools have been instrumental in helping me earn passive income in 2026. I hope you found this video helpful, and I encourage you to try out some of these tools for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI tools and personal finance.